Most of us are familiar with deer in our garden, eating our roses. I was surprised the other morning to come out and find a nice young buck who was obviously very hungry. So he had started to eat things in my yard that he's never eaten before. Like my coral bells, he's gone through and devoured the tops off of these. He also has grazed through and started munching on all of my hostas. And various others, he's also taken down my roses and hydrangea trees and some other plants in my yard. But this young buck is just looking for this young, fresh new growth that's emerging on all of our plants right now. So, one way to deter them is a product like this. This is called Deer Defeat, and it's an organic, natural-based product, and it's made from like putrefied eggs and garlic and some really some stinky stuff that the deer don't like to eat. So nice thing about this is it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is just kind of mist the plants like this, and it just puts a little bit of coating over there, and it's a taste that the deer really don't like to smell or eat. And so I'll do this about once a week for the first couple weeks, and then after that you have to do a little maintenance about once a month. Nice thing about this is once it goes on and dries, the rain doesn't wash it off. So it's an easy product to use, it's natural, it's organic, and it'll help keep those deer away. So that is our tip of the week.